this wall clock. I'm sure there is a problem on, maybe there is a problem on the crystal oscillator, because this one is not functioning. Maybe this one has a problem, the oscillator, crystal oscillator. It's a problem. I check. I try to replace this one, this oscillator. After I replace the crystal oscillator, now the two LED bulbs blinking. Before it's not blinking. This oscillator is 32,768 Hertz or 32.768 kilohertz. Before, I cannot the setting is now it's blinking. Before I cannot change it. Now I cannot change. I can change. Yes, yeah. Now I can change now. Okay, it's okay now. See. Now I return. Yeah, that one. Okay, that's all.